What if I told you that just 11 minutes a day could turn back the clock on your body? Would you believe me? I'm John, and today I'll show you how a few simple movements can reverse 10 years of aging naturally. Aging isn't just about how you look. It's about how your cells feel, how your body breathes, and how your brain responds to stress. When you practice yoga, even just a few minutes a day, your nervous system calms down. Your blood flows better. Your organs heal. And your brain? It lights up like a sunrise. This is real, measurable science. And your body deserves it. Let's start with a cat-cow stretch. Come onto your hands and knees. Inhale, arch your back, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine like a cat. This gentle move wakes up your spine, boosts circulation, and improves digestion. Repeat this 5 times, slow and steady. Now, stand tall. Gently bend forward. Let your arms hang. Let your head drop. This is a forward fold. It brings blood to your brain, soothes your nervous system, and helps you feel grounded again. Take 3 deep breaths here. And now, the most powerful pose for reversing stress and fatigue. Lie down. Place your legs up against the wall. Let your arms rest by your sides. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay here for 2 to 3 minutes. This pose drains tension, improves lymph flow, and clears brain fog like magic. You don't need to be flexible. You don't need to be young. And you don't need a fancy studio. Just a mat, a quiet space, and a few minutes of your day. Yoga tells your body, you're safe, and tells your mind, it's time to heal. This is your moment. 11 minutes a day. That's all it takes to slow aging, to calm your mind, to return to yourself. I'm Dr. John, and I'll be here every breath of the way.